Don't you hate it when you get one of these? I will say it's not often, or ever at all, that I haven't wanted to use these points to fly, but it's just not going to work in with my schedule right now. So I am actually going to check out the Airpoints website and see what stuff I could buy. Not that I need any more stuff, but in case there's something that is to the value of, what was it, $37.03. Some of you will choose to use your Airpoints to book flights, which is great. If you've had luck using your New Zealand Airpoints, please put it in the comments below. Okay, so there's quite a few different options. Some things are on deal, so that's nice. I quite like these. Some new jandals, and they have a silver fin on them, and they're 34. So I think I'm gonna get them. And okay, that leaves $3, but I don't know what to do with that. So that's okay. Thank you for my purchase. It's courier, so tomorrow, the next day. So I've placed my order now. Who knows how long courier post takes? I wish they would at least give an estimated time frame. I'm in a major city. I'm in the major city of Christchurch. Please check out my videos of things to do in Christchurch while you're here. So it could give a rough estimate, but yes, let's see. So I'm quite excited to see these. It's always nice to get a new pair of jandals. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. So of course I missed delivery. Goodness, why does this always happen? So I am going up to the courier hub right now, hoping that they're not closed by the time I get there. It's 43 past. They close at 12. They close at 12. Please take me there. Alrighty, so I've got my package. Let's get to the unbagging. Unboxing, unpackaging. We hope you like it, they say. I already have this brand, so I already knew what I was buying, but it's exciting to get new ones. And a little silver fern. Great, they will do great. I will go and shuffle these in my suitcase right now for my trip. Yes, new jandals. And so cute. They're from home. Have you bought anything from the Airpoints store?